What is 5-2 and 4-3? Hi guys, today I'm going to explain the very popular 5-2 and 4-3 diets. The 5-2 diet is simply eating normally for 5 days and restricting your calorie intake for 2 days. For men, you can have 600 calories on those days, and for women, you can have 500. This is quite an easy option for someone who is new to dieting and wants something that they can do long term. Another more new and certainly more effective way that sees results faster than the 5-2 is the 4-3 diet, or alternate day fasting. Eat one day and 500 to 600 calories the next day, and so on. As per my sample chart, it shows how this would be done. A controlled study of the 4-3 diet showed major improvement in the group that did the 4-3 diet compared to the group that ate normally. After 12 weeks, the intermittent group had lost weight by 11 pounds or 5 kilos. Imagine that, amazing. Reduced fat mass by 7.7 pounds or 3.5 kilos with no change in muscle mass. Decreased levels of leptin. Reduced levels of CRP, which are markers for inflammation in the body. And much more health benefits. So if you're looking to get healthy, I suggest having a look at my video, The Benefits of Intermittent Fasting, and giving one of these diets a try. If you like my video and would like to get notified of future videos, hit the subscribe button. On to good health.